Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey Vidoe. In this video we are going to look how to use autofill in Excel. So this is a shortcut way to get it. So let's dive into it. You can see here, suppose I want 1 to 10, so I will write here 1 2 and I will select this range and drag this down till where I want. So suppose I want till 10, so I just input here 1 and 2 and drag it down. And here also I want, if I want write here only 1 and drag this, you will see here this is only shown 1 because it cannot find the pattern. I first gave the pattern of 1 2 and this pattern shows it will increment by 1. So here I just input cell in 1. So but also we can do it. We can see after selecting this all, you will see here autofill option, and in autofill option you will see like this, you will see there flash fill, just flash fill and you will get the answer. You will see flash fill and you will get the answer. You can do like this also, and here you will see here fill series and fill series, and it will fill by 1. So this is a quick. So suppose I write here sun and mon, and if I drag this, you will see my Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is auto populated. In the same way Jan, Feb, and if I select this and drag this, you will see my Jan and V is also showing here. Also in the same way, if I write here January, February, and select this, drag down, you will see it is auto populating. This is called autofill. So you can use this method. This is a simple trick, and I found you feel this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.